can kind of feel like a blurring effect with the primer. I mean, they all kind of look really similar. I just don't know which one is my colour. Okay, I ended up actually changing my foundation to 410 just because foundation does oxidize afterwards, and I think 410 was a better colour. But that concealer is bomb. Like, it's just helped to brighten up my under eye, and I'm like, yes, your girl's under eye is popping. We have heard that Morphe's palettes are very rich in pigmentation, and I am witnessing this, guys, for you today. Come and see the colour, guys. And this is the final look. Welcome back to my channel. So today, of course, I'm sporting a Morphe look. I've tested out the foundation for you in the various shades that were available to me, and I also used their Dare to Create palette to create this eye look. So what are you guys thinking? But before we get into the video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? Oh, you've hit the subscribe button? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face with the foundation primer. This is the Morphe Revitalizer foundation primer. So I'm just going to take like one pump of that and then just work in my face. And that is kind of like a matte soft finish. I can kind of feel like a blurring effect with the primer. Okay, I just did my eyebrows off camera and I wasn't using any Morphe products, so there's no point talking about it. But moving swiftly on to the foundation, which is what we're trying out and testing out today. Morphe have kindly sent me 4 different shades so I can compare. So let's try out 390 first. So this is 390, which, as you can see, is a little bit too light for me. And then we're going to go in with 410. So then the next shade is 420, which actually could pass. Let me just double check against my skin. And lastly, we've got 430. I mean, they all kind of look really similar. I just don't know which one is my colour. I think I'm just going to go in with 430, to be honest. I'm just going to beat that in with the Morphe brush M439. Okay, I ended up actually changing my foundation to 410 just because foundation does oxidize afterwards, and I think 410 was a better colour. So I'm just going to go in with my under eye concealer. I'm using the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm using C3.25. And I'm just placing that underneath my eye just to brighten up my eye a little bit. And I'm also going to place that on the bridge of my nose. And I'm just going to work that in with a Morphe blending sponge. I'm still not too sure about the foundation because of the oxidization, but that concealer is bomb. Like, it's just helped to brighten up my under eye, and I'm like, yes, your girl's under eye is popping. So I'm just going to prime my eyes because I'm now going to go on to my eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe Eyelid Primer, and I'm just applying to the top of my lids, and I'm just going to work that in with the Morphe blending sponge. Okay, I'm taking the Morphe Dare to Create a palette, and I want to do some kind of reddish tones. So I'm going to go in first with Deep Hue, which is a deep brown colour first, just to have as a base colour. I always kind of go with an earthy brown tone as a base colour. So I'm just pushing that on my eyelid, and yes, we have heard that Morphe's palettes are very rich in pigmentation, and I am witnessing this, guys, for you today. Come and see the colour, guys. And then, as usual, we're just going to blend that colour in just to make sure it's all up in that crease line, girl. For the second colour, we're going to go in with Snatched, which is a nice little kind of metallic, glittery red. And we're just going to go over that base colour. Okay, so the most important thing is to make sure that we're blending those two colours together. So we're blending Deep Hue and Snatch just to make sure it is blended and the crease is simultaneously sitting together. For my lash line, I'm taking Dare Me, which is a nice kind of royal blue metallic shimmering shade. And we're just placing that shade just on the lash line. And then on the inner corners of my eyes, I want to take Spark, which is like a copper metallic colour, and just place this on the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, I'm just going to finish up my makeup and then tell you my final thoughts. Okay guys, I finished off my makeup and this is the final look. To be honest guys, I'm not too sure about the foundation because it is a little bit of an oxidization situation and I don't know if I'm looking a lot darker than I'm supposed to. I absolutely love the concealer. Concealer is bomb. It really helped highlighting my eyes and I was just like, oh my god, my eyes are popping. Absolutely love this brush for applying foundation. This is the M439 brush. This brush is the bomb diggity bomb. And I absolutely loved playing around with the Dare to Create palette. It just made me see how artistic I can be with my makeup. Like, I'm usually not that artistic and I was like going for it. So that was really nice to see. But yeah, I really enjoyed using Morphe products. I've got a lot of other products I was gifted. So you will see more Morphe videos coming up. I've got the Jeffree Star collection. I've got the Tropics collection, James Charles palette. So those videos are coming up real soon. But yeah guys, if you like that video, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy to share this video when I share it. As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the list of my social media platforms down below. I'll also leave a list of these products so you can purchase them. But I guess see another video. And remember to always say what? Bougie.